Yeah, Oak Harbor's not gonna have much of a chance here. I don't know who's gonna win this.
Oh, I like that one. That was like a starfish. Oh, that's pretty. Red, white, and blue.
Okay, the college kids are on break again.
Back to Oak Harbor. Oh, pretty.
Oh, here go the college kids again.
Oh, I like those.
I don't know, I like that.
You're filming that, right?
Yep.
I'm filming this. Oh, that was pretty. Short-lived, but I really like those.
No, see, there's the ball out from that one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there they go, the college kids again. Nice height on that.
Oh, that one's neat. Look at that.
Mm-hmm. Pretty sure that's a fountain.
No, it's not. It's not a fountain. It's like a
Whoa.
box. It's one of those boxes that goes off in water.
Mm-hmm.
Oh crap!
Did you stop recording?
It just hit the button again, so that's okay. It's doing it in sections.
Get back to the city. Well, we wait for the college kids to refill. I think that's Blue Fox.
No. I don't think Blue Fox is getting them that high where they can see them over here.
Well, that could be a purposeful decision.
Yeah, I'm sure it is, because the higher it is, the where the ash can go.
Yeah, but also, you don't get... Then everybody could see it and they don't have to pay.
No, that's not why they do it here. They don't want it raining down on the fields. The crops.
Three Sisters would be a little bit pissed off with them. Yeah, good job on the fireworks this year.
Mm-hmm.
So, college kids finally run out of budget. I could tell you who has not run out of budget. The Navy base. That's the backyard neighbors of the college kids. Whoa, that's pretty.
Mm-hmm. I just think one day we won't be able to do this because there'll be houses here.
Uh-huh.
Enjoy it now.
Yep. Oh, that's a nice one.
Mm-hmm.
I think the college kids ran out of budget.
We're just waiting.
Whoa. Did you hear the little boy yelling fire?
Mm-mm.
Mm-hmm. That's pretty. That's my favorite so far. They really got that star shape down. Can you crack the windows a little bit? It's getting muggy. Abby, it's fine. Ooh. Nice dahlia.
Over there, fireworks all on the hilltop. It's all Navy housing over there. And far off in the distance,
You can barely
see
see
fireworks
Camino.
going off, and that's where we live, over in Goodville.
Somebody's setting up a load of screamers. That was boring.
No fireworks going off over there.
Abby is not happy about those screamers.
Here, Abby.
I need to take you out to the gun range. Okay? You don't get an opinion in this. You're going to the gun range.
Lay down.
Next time you guys go to the gun range, you're going. Ooh, that was pretty.
I like that.
It's too bad Dad's drone is out of commission.
Why?
They could have taken the drone and gone ahead and flown it and got some good video.
I have drones.
Well, next time, we'll have to keep that in mind.
Why are Dad's drones out of commission?
Last time I heard it wasn't working right.
He has how many?
I know, like 12.
Look at that one over there.
Mm-hmm. Navy housing. Is that quite Navy housing?
No, that's not Navy housing over there. It's just private.
It's dueling fireworks, Mom. Who can do a better show? That's pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Getting kind of stale, though. We're about 20 minutes in.
And one didn't do anything.
Yeah. That was a failed firework.
That's pretty.
That was nice.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
Mm-hmm. that was pretty.
Mm-hmm. That's a big one.
Mm-hmm. I love those tentacles.
Well, if I remember the documentary I saw right, they're all supposed to look like dahlias.
Mm-hmm. Hey, Abby, no. Oh, Abby, quit. Abby, knock it off.
You're scaring
Quit.
Freya. She finally went to
Missed the grand
sleep.
finale. I'll be pissed.
Please watch your language. I do not want any of my pack to learn that language. It's okay, baby. That was cute. That was pretty.
The budget must have got bigger.
Yep. Is this longer than 26 minutes?
They're lighting them up a lot now.
Yeah.
Getting ready to grand finale.
Where they basically just toss them all in the air and go, go! I like those ones.
Mm-hmm.
They kind of look like they're wandering all over the place. They're like me, they're lost. Yep, there it is.
That's pretty. That's a good grand finale. I like that one. Oh. Oh, I like those. Look at Oh, that's good.
That's a really good grand finale.
This wasn't the grand finale.
Yeah. Is that it?
Maybe. No?
No, that's a different area.
Hmm.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay. Now the hard part getting out of here.
Okay, Pack. That's it. Bye.
Watch